I'm Major General VPS Bhakuni. I was in the armed forces for good about 40 years and retired in 2018.
What is
Before
the occasion, sir, today?
and today it was a great honor to be chief guest of this function. Avotech, as you can see, a beautiful function was organized. So many delegates, so many students, and aim was to make them aware of India's potential and the way India is progressing in the field of technology. The day is not far when India is going to become the most modernized country. Look at the people who are talking about the artificial intelligence, modernization, and how technologically India can surpass all the countries. That was a wonderful theme. And this function is going to go over till tomorrow. There are delegates from all over the country who have come. So such kind of functions are required to be organized more often. I'm most impressed by the organizers. Mr. Dr. Maran, who had organized this function, was just out of the world. And there is a need today, particularly when the world is recognizing India's potential in the field of technology. After the landing of Chandrayaan 3 in the moon, it's a great achievement. So there is a new josh in the youth to take the country to the next level, and which India is going to become a superpower economically, militarily, and technologically. That's what we believe. Thank
Evening
you.
also, evening one of the award function also going on. What about that, sir?
Yeah, in the evening there's a award function, and again you will find me there. So we will be there, and it's basically the people who have done a great service in different fields are going to be recognized in this award function. So
Tomorrow section, sir?
tomorrow also there is a function because so many delegates have come. So every field of technology and business development is going to be spoken about. See, there is no place for sitting for the youth. There are a lot of youth who didn't find a place to, though capacity is so high. So it's a very heartening to see the kind of josh among the youth to attend this kind of function.
Exactly.
So it's just wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks for great information.